Hey guys and girls, I just thought that since this journal thing is kind of new to us in geometry, I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys a good example to look at. So, as you can see in this journal entry, it started on a new page for the new week, week number 3. The student clearly has identifying transformations down. That must have been the title of the exercise. He wrote his answers, checked his work, and wrote his grade down. All right, this is all very helpful to me as a teacher to see what you guys are doing. So the journal is clearly titled, the exercise is clearly titled, and is graded, and each problem is numbered and checked. All right, so that it constitutes one really great journal entry. Okay, so another example might be the following. Now this one just says translate points, which means that that must be a continuation of something that was in week 3. All right, so he got this first one right. And actually this student is checking with a different color. I like that a lot. Okay, so he's writing a little bit of work here. He looks like he messed up, and then he wrote some reasoning on what happened. I accidentally went left one, but should have went right one. Okay, that makes sense. Place some check marks here because he must have gotten those ones right. So now let's read what are some good things about this one. Well, the exercise is clearly titled. The student uses a different color to show corrections and checks his or her work. I like that. Each problem is numbered. Yeah, maybe I didn't mention that. Each problem is numbered. See, it's not numbered in the Khan Academy, so you'll have to put those numbers in. And work is written that shows understanding, even though it's not needed for him or her to understand it. So, unfortunately, I don't have the screen to share with you that would have that kind of shows you what this is talking about. But these are basically graphs, but the student wrote down what was necessary in order to have something down so that he or she could go back and correct work if indeed they got the answer right or wrong. So anyway, I hope this is a good example for you guys to see what's going on as far as your journal entries go, okay? I want your work to look a lot like this. See ya.